The Philippine Air Force will soon have its own long-range patrol aircrafts, as they allegedly signed contracts with Elbit Systems, an Israeli-based defense company, for 2 long-range patrol aircrafts worth $114 million. The Philippine Air Force opened its acquisition under Horizon 1 priority projects of the revised AFP modernization program for its 300th Air Intelligence and Security Wing. The Department of Budget and Management released 896.4 million Philippine peso last the 17th of April 2023 for its initial payment. According to Elbit Systems, the aircraft will be using the ATR-72-600 turboprop aircraft platform and will be equipped with mission management system, radar, electro-optics, signal intelligence and communication systems. MaxDefense Philippines that those aircrafts will not have the capability to do anti-submarine warfare operations but is able to do maritime and ground surface intelligence, surveillance reconnaissance. In which the Philippine Navy wanted to have their own maritime patrol aircraft under Horizon 3 phase that has the capability to do anti-submarine warfare operations. End.